All right, guys, it's your boy Shades. Top five penny stocks to keep an eye on this year. Penny stocks have been hot. Even ILIS has been moving, which usually it's been trending to the downside for 3 years now. Finally, we got some kind of move to the upside. This is what you should be doing here. Start buying ILIS, start accumulating it. Ideally under 0.012. That is my personal target. That's just me. We're going to have support around 0.0126. So anywhere around 0.012, start accumulating for the next run. And that's all there is to it. I don't really have to say much. I think it speaks for itself. It's a pretty great company. They're doing all the right things, but hopefully the dilution is over and we can finally start trading this without having to worry about this going down because of the dilution factor. So with that out of the way, I think this is a buy now. Under 0.012. We finally found a bottom down here at 0.005. So if you want to wait for that, you can go for it. I mean, I'm just going to start averaging down from 0.012. If that doesn't happen, if it doesn't come down this low, the golden cross is the play. Here it crossed over. The 50 EMA crossed the 100 and we ran. We ran. Here, same thing. So either we wait for the bottom or we average down at a certain point or we wait for the golden cross. That's on you. Okay, the next one, PVSP 0005, and this has catalyst coming this week. Let me see, let me pull up some information here on PVSP. Give me 1 second here. But yeah, PVSP 0005, as cheap as you can get. And oh, what the hell is this? No, not that, not that. PVSP Pervasip announced successful completion of PCAOB audit. Final audited financials with attached opinion letter will be uploaded to OTC at the end of next week. Market cap 2.1 million. Key findings from the audit include full compliance with GAAP, accurate and transparent financial reporting, strong internal controls, and risk management process. Based on the audited financials and applied to 2023, the company has initiated voluntary restructuring of some of its subsidiaries to improve balance sheet health in preparation for the spin-out of cannabis assets to its shareholders. More details will be provided in the coming days. So there you go, guys. I'm not sure if there's any more information on that, but yeah, this stock is only 0004 and completed an audit, doing spin-offs and more news next week. And if we pull up the financials, you'll notice revenue 11 million, cost of goods sold 7 million, gross profit 4 million. It's been increasing steadily. So there you go, nice and cheap, well worth the risk to reward. And that is it for these two stocks. Look at that, look at that. It's above the 200, man. If that thing, if it gets a golden cross, it's gonna go for hundreds of percentages, possibly 10x. Samel is the next one. This one's been trending to the upside here. QA&D is a company, a subsidiary of ILIS, and it ran 10 cents when it got news, PR. It can run quite a bit. Look at these big green bars here. That's what I would anticipate here with Samuel. With Samuel, it's not going to take much volume for this to fly. Right now, it's being accumulated. That's why you're seeing this higher high happening. We're not getting a higher, not higher high, a higher low. We're not getting a higher high, unfortunately. We'll see what happens moving forward. But if buyers are going to continue to step up here and buy the dip, people are accumulating in anticipation of some kind of big move. No one's buying here just to flip it for 5 cents. So QIND, like I said, QIND when it got changed from WKST or WKFST or something like that, when it had its name and ticker change, it eventually had to run up. So you'd be buying right now in anticipation of that. You'd have to wait and be patient though. Anyone who wants to get in and expect the next day is insane. Not how it works. Okay, and finally for penny stocks, we still got AITX down here as cheap as you can get it. I mean, you can't really get it any cheaper, right? If it goes down to triple zeros, I mean, who's going to complain? So my opinion is get in on AITX anywhere under 0030 and accumulate and wait for the next move higher. Again, do not expect this to suddenly explode. It'll happen, but it's going to take time. It can take months. Sometimes it'll be maybe 8 months, but it'll work out for you. If you're patient, you're impatient, you're never going to make money. Not off of AITX at least. That one's going to take longer to play. So there you go. That's another one. BVSP right now is the one to keep an eye on because it does have catalysts coming, news, PR, etc. And finally, CYBL. Maybe this year they get us out of CE land. Maybe they get the skull and crossbones removed, but looking doubtful. A lot of talk, but not a lot of walk, at least on the shareholder side, shareholder value side of things. They're not really doing much to help get this out of here. Because we would go right back to 1 penny easily. But that's another one to keep an eye on. I mean, they're getting contracts, the Department of Defense, but it doesn't mean anything if shareholders can't even benefit from that. But that's it. Sybil, EVSP, probably the best one if you're looking for a quick flip. AITX, Sybil, ILIS, QIND, SAML. I mean, those are all you'd have to buy and hold for quite a while. But PVSP, if you're looking for something real fast, if it's holding up, if it holds above this 200 EMA, I mean, the last time it did that, ooh, so a lot of buyers stepping in right now, a lot of excitement. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.